Here's a scary stat. In 2026, millions of Americans don't even have $500 saved for emergencies. One car repair, one medical bill, one job gap, and their finances fall apart. Today, I'll show you why an emergency fund is no longer optional and how you can start building one fast, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Recent surveys show that about 1 in 4 Americans has no emergency savings at all, and another quarter has less than $1,000. The Federal Reserve also found that a shocking 37% of adults can't cover a $400 emergency with cash. And let's be real, emergencies aren't rare. They usually pop up from things like job loss or reduced hours, unexpected medical or dental bills, sudden car repairs, or home emergencies like a broken furnace in the middle of winter. Without a safety net, people are forced to rely on high-interest credit cards, personal loans, or they just start missing payments. All of this leads to a dangerous spiral of debt, stress, and a damaged credit score that can take years to fix. So let's get one thing straight. An emergency fund isn't about getting rich. It's about not going broke when life happens. It's your financial firewall. So, how much do you actually need? Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. And by essential, I mean the absolute must-pays: rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and insurance. This doesn't include vacations, shopping sprees, or dining out. But if you're starting from zero, don't panic. That 3 to 6 month goal can feel impossible. So, let's simplify. Your first goal is to save between $500 and $1,000. That's it. This starter fund is a huge first step, and it's powerful. It can cover small medical bills, minor car repairs, or bridge a short income gap without derailing your entire financial life. Once you hit that $1,000 milestone, you'll feel the momentum, and you can slowly work your way toward that bigger 3 to 6 month goal over time. Now, where should you keep this money? The worst place is your checking account, where it's easy to spend. The best place for your emergency fund is somewhere that is safe, liquid, and totally separate from your daily spending. That's why a high-yield savings account is the perfect home for it. Right now, in early 2026, many online banks are paying around 4 to 4.3% APY. Compare that to the near-zero interest you get from most big bank checking accounts. With a high-yield savings account, your money is FDIC or NCUA insured. You can access it anytime. And it actually earns you more money while it just sits there waiting. Ready to build one fast? Here are 5 simple steps. First, automate your savings immediately. Go into your bank app right now and set up an automatic transfer from every single paycheck, even if it's just $25 or $50. Automation is your best friend. Second, start small and stay consistent. Consistency always beats intensity. Just $50 a month becomes $600 in a year without feeling any stress. Third, use your windfalls. Anytime you get unexpected money, like a tax refund, a bonus from work, a cash gift, or extra income from a side hustle, send it straight to your emergency fund. Don't even think about it. Fourth, keep it separate. I can't stress this enough. Don't mix your emergency money with your spending money. Having it in a separate account, ideally at a different bank, reduces the temptation to dip into it for non-emergencies. And finally, step 5. Increase your savings over time. Whenever you pay off a debt or get a raise, redirect that newly freed up money directly into your savings. Watch that progress bar grow. An emergency fund is the foundation of every strong financial plan. It comes before investing, before worrying about credit card points, and before any other big financial goals. You can start today. Even $50 a month puts you ahead of millions of other Americans. For more simple, practical steps to build real financial security in 2026 and beyond, make sure you subscribe to WealthForge USA. Remember, this is not financial advice, as everyone's situation is different. Thanks for watching.